The compare instructions are found on the Compare tab of the instruction toolbar. Data compare instructions are input instructions that are used to compare numerical values. If the comparison is satisfied, the instruction is true, and the next instruction on the rung is processed. These are the basic mathematical comparisons: equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal. In addition, there are a couple of instructions that perform more complicated comparisons. The equal instruction is true if the value of source A is equal to the value of source B. Source A is the value stored at the tag value 1. Source B is the tag value 2. When the switch is closed, the comparison will take place, and since both source A and source B have the value 25, the equal comparison will be true and the equal pilot light will turn on. The not equal or NEQ instruction checks for source A not being equal to source B. When the switch is closed, the comparison will take place. Since the value in source A is different from the value in source B, the NEQ instruction will be true and the pilot light will be on. The less than instruction, LES, will be true when source A is less than source B. Since source A is less than source B, the instruction will be true when the switch is closed and the pilot light will be turned on. The greater than GRT instruction is true when the value of source A is greater than the value of source B. When the switch is closed, the contents of value 1, 1420, will be checked to see if it is greater than the contents of value 2, 1200. Since source A is greater than source B, the instruction will be true when the switch is closed and the pilot light will be turned on. This program shows the use of multiple comparison instructions to compare the contents of the accumulated value of the count up counter C1. The first rung is an up counter that will increment every time the push button is pushed. The output pilot light 1 on the second rung will be on when the accumulated value of counter C1 is greater than 5 and less than 10. Source B and all the comparison instructions in this program are constants rather than tag addresses. The output pilot light 2 will be on when the accumulated value of counter C1 is equal to 15. The output pilot light 3 will be on when the accumulated value of counter C1 is not equal to 20. The counter will be reset when the accumulated value of the counter is equal to or greater than the preset or when the reset push button is pushed. Pilot light 1 will be on when the accumulated value is 6, 7, 8, or 9. Pilot light 2 will be on when the accumulated value is 15. Pilot light 3 will be on all the time except when the accumulated value is equal to 20.